jackpot. And yet, tignan natin yung time period bago siya tinamaan. It took mga 3 to 4 months, maybe 1 year pa yata, subject to confirmation of factual review.
Very remote, sir. Nung ganung scenario natin, 1 month's time, sunod-sunod na nakalaro.
5 games yung tinamaan, ha? I'm talking about sa past 1 game na umabot na ng 500 million yung kanyang jackpot So it took months bago siya tamaan.
Nakakapagduda ba yun?
Sa akin, ako yung nagdududa.
Dahil, sir, yung probability because of supposedly millions of domination.
Kasi ang assumption kasi is pag 500 million na pesos na yung jackpot, andyan na yung interest na daw ng mga betting public, tatayaan na sila. But when it happened naturally, it took months bago tamaan And then all